In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a letter or number superscript on Microsoft Word. If you need to place a letter or number slightly above the normal line of text, you can use the Superscript feature in Microsoft Word. Superscript is commonly used for mathematical expressions, ordinal numbers, references, footnotes, and other types of documents where a character needs to appear above the regular text. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to use Superscript. Place your cursor in the document and type the text or number that you want to format. For this example, let's use a simple number such as 2. Now, select the letter or number that you want to make superscript. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the character with your mouse. Once the character is selected, go to the Home tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Look for the Font section. Here, you will find several formatting options. Look for the Superscript button, which is represented by an X with a small raised 2. Click the Superscript button. The selected letter or number will now move slightly above the normal line of text and become smaller. This means the superscript formatting has been applied. For example, if you have the number 2 after a number, it can appear as a raised character instead of staying on the same baseline. You can use the same method with letters. Simply select the letter you want to raise, then click the Superscript button in the Font section. If you want to continue typing normal text after the superscript character, make sure the superscript formatting is turned off before continuing. You can do this by clicking the Superscript button again. You can also use the keyboard shortcut to apply superscript more quickly. Select the letter or number you want to format, then press Ctrl, Shift, and the plus sign together. The selected character will immediately be changed to superscript. To turn the formatting off using the keyboard, select the superscript character or place your cursor where you want normal text to continue, then use the same shortcut again. Superscript can be especially useful when creating equations, writing powers such as squared or cubed values, or adding reference numbers to your document. You can also combine superscript with other formatting options, such as changing the font or size, depending on the appearance you want. And that's how you can make a letter or number superscript in Microsoft Word, using the Home tab or a keyboard shortcut. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,